Alright guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. I tried to describe the video clips as they were playing, but I ran some home runs, made up some boxes, and I also put in most of the mud rings for all the stuff that I made up and the low voltage today, so I didn't mention that. So I went around all the rooms and for all the switch boxes, low voltage, boxes and all the plugs and switches. I think I already said switches, but I went ahead and put the mud rings on those, so those will be ready for sheetrock. So I made up some more plugs today. I already said I ran some home runs, running some more wire, and I think that about wraps it up. Probably something else I missed, kind of hopping around, just staying busy again. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to see more content tomorrow. I did not work yesterday. If you didn't watch the live stream recap, I took the day off. I was in some serious pain. Alright, I think my camera kept running out of, or I think my phone kept running out of storage, so I had to delete some stuff. But anyways, I probably should have taken today off as well, but I managed to go to work, fought through the pain, and made it to the end of the day. So I'm getting better. I hurt myself over the weekend, so I'll just leave it at that because it's slightly embarrassing. But basically, I'm just really out of shape and went way too hard in an activity. Anyways, guys, I will catch you tomorrow, and hopefully you checked out the video from yesterday where I went on a ride with Coderman back in Massachusetts on my road trip. Make sure to check that out. It was a pretty sweet ride, M3 2011. Anyways, guys, I will see you tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.